True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. My location is in Manchester. Yeah man, so I'm at the Greenvale roundabout. So I will take the first exit. Will take us onto the Winston Jones Highway. So big up on yourself, everyone I watch from here and abroad. You can big up on yourself. See a few potholes on the road. See them a clean up them place here. Nice and pretty. Yeah man, a lot of the drains them kinda a lot of garbage and stuff in the drain. So you can see it on the left hand side, they're cleaning up this area. So you know we have a lot of rain in the Manchester area from the other day. So yeah man, so they might clean up the place nice and pretty. Watch them people here, you know. You have to watch them, you know. They might tell you one different stories, and I have to watch them. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from and tell me what you think about this area. If you make the left turn right here, it will take you all to Miketown area, Somerset. If you make the right turn, it will take you all to Marshall's Pen. So we're heading towards the New Green roundabout. So we're having some nice weather today in the Manchester area. So no Jamaica with Fire Reid. Your True Jamaican Vibes tour guide. So this is one of the cheapest gas stations you can get gas in the Manchester area. Yeah man, so if we're not going to Kingston area, so we can stop at a gas station and get to the gas. So big up all the Manchester people, them gonna big up on yourself. One love and one heart. So I'm gonna make the left turn will take us all to the New Green roundabout. So you have few car marts on the Winston Jones Highway, new and used car. So you can check them out. A lot of people searching for cars to buy. You know, is Manchester have one of the most car marts. Remember we say we know Manchester, you know how to get around in this area, giving an update on the area and show the place stay. So we're at the New Green roundabout. So the first exit will take you all to Mile Gully, also into the New Green area. So I'll take the second exit. The third exit will take you all into the Mandeville town area. Wow, just dropping on patrol. So if you don't want to the fruits and the banana, you can stop right here at the New Green roundabout. I'm having a little bit of bumpy ride. heading towards the turnoff, which will take us to into the Kendall area. If you keep left, right here on the Winston Jones Highway will take you to the Kendall area, and also it can take you all to Christiana and the Spaldings area. You have the Russell Place. So we are now heading towards the Williamsfield roundabout, which will take us you all on the Highway 2000. Go straight to Maypen. But we're gonna take it into the Williamsfield area. Welcome to the Williamsfield roundabout. First exit will take you all to Williamsfield area, and the second will take you onto the Highway 2000. So I go and make people look out for them potholes underneath the bridge. When I come in the Kendall area here, so